In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Lovable app in Netlify. By the end, you'll have your Lovable app live on the web with a shareable URL using Netlify's quick manual deployment. All you need is your project exported and ready to host, ideally as a folder that contains an index.html file and any assets like CSS, JS, and images. Start by opening your browser and going to netlify.com. If you're not already signed in, the site may prompt you to log in or create an account, which only takes a moment. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the top right for the Add New Project dropdown. This is where you begin a fresh deployment without connecting a code repository. From that dropdown, choose the option to deploy manually. This method is perfect when you already have a built version of your app and just want to get it online without any additional setup or build steps. Think of it as picking up your finished site folder and placing it directly onto Netlify's hosting. You'll now see an area that invites you to drag and drop your project. Before you do, double check that you're selecting the correct folder, the one that contains your live ready files. A quick check is to open the folder and confirm you see index.html at the top level along with your asset folders. If your files are tucked away in a deeper subfolder, make sure to drop that specific build folder. When you're ready, drag the folder from your computer and drop it into the upload area. Netlify will immediately begin uploading and processing your site. If you prefer not to drag files, click the Browse to Upload button instead. Navigate to your project on your computer and select the same top-level folder that holds your index, HTML and other assets. Confirm the selection, and Netlify will handle the upload just the same. After the upload finishes, Netlify will publish your site and display a unique Netlify app URL. Open it to see your Lovable app live. If something doesn't look right, verify that your index.html is at the root of the folder you uploaded and that your asset paths are correct. To update your app later, simply repeat the same drag and drop or browse process with the new version, and Netlify will create a fresh deploy. That's all it takes. Go to Netlify, use the Add New Project dropdown, choose Manual Deployment, and upload your Lovable app folder. Quick, reliable, and your site is instantly shareable.